Alright guys, back in with the second analysis for the day-to-day forex market. I think you're gonna love this one, guys. This one is the next in line. So if the previous video was about a new position that we initiated, right here, we're not ready for it yet, but it's almost there. We're almost right there in the moment where we will want to engage. But unfortunately, we got some adversity here at 109.77, and we saw price action struggling last week to cross over, right? I mean, the formation is pretty straightforward. We've been tracking ever since early July, so about a month. We've been tracking this formation back and forth, and again back and forth. So we got 4 legs, well-established legs, right? We think price action is going to turn back up and head for the 5th one back, pretty much, you know, to the area where it came from, 110.41 and up, 110.41 all the way to the previous highs, and possibly even all the way to 110.97. That's the range, right? That's the price range we see the dollar Japanese yen heading towards. But again, it's we should take that with a grain of salt. That's why we're using 109.77 as the official trigger, and it was our official trigger even last week, and we were ready to take action, but price action, you know, it got rejected, right? It began to approach, got rejected, pulled back a little bit, closed that day. That was that was Friday. Still in the lower section here. So what I'm trying to say is, even though psychologically we're completely prepared to initiate a bullish campaign on the dollar Japanese yen here, we just want to make sure the price can handle the pressure coming from 109.77. So we need to see a crossover, even though just from the daily perspective, you know, probably going to be enough. It's a quick move, right? We don't have time to wait for weekly confirmations. This is a move that could be done in a matter of a couple of days, 2-3 days. Price could be already at 110.41. So we have to act fast. We have to be decisive, and unfortunately, we cannot allow ourselves to filter out, you know, the noise from the weekly perspective, right? So again, once price begins to drill through 109.77, hopefully it's going to happen today. We're going to come back fresh tomorrow and pull the trigger. Simple as that. All right, 110.14 could be considered as a secondary target. We might do something about that level. Tactically speaking, we might use it as a secondary target. All right, guys, so there you go. That's about that. Just keep your eyes on the dollar Japanese yen. I'm sure it's going to produce some more interesting moments for us. In the meantime, time to say goodbye. We're going to be back tomorrow, same time, same place. Take care.